Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and this is my client from the last time. She's also my lash tech. Shout out to Blink Mink. I will leave all her information down below so you guys can find her. She does classes and everything else. Don't worry, I got you. Anyway, we're gonna jump on in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and braid her down. So I am gonna speed through this, but not through the first braid, just so you guys can see my braiding technique and how I'm gonna be braiding her hair down. And then we're gonna jump back on in. So, guys, you see that I am somewhat getting these braids in, okay? I still have a ways to go, but I wanted you guys to see how flat it's going to be. And the finishing product is going to be coming up soon with the braids. Okay, guys, so I want to talk about how good them braids look. Ow! Before anybody try to play me out, just know that I was self-taught with the braids. My sister told me, she showed me how to do them cornrows one time, got mad that I didn't know how to do it, and I've been doing my thing. So yes, I am going to say my braids look good. Ow. You see that we're at the top of her head, right? Oh yeah, baby. We're about to be done. We made it to the top. I'm about to tie this maybe about 2-3 times so that it can lock and it will not come loose while she has this installed. Okay? Thank you. Guys, I did ask my client to lean her head over just so you know she's not mad. I'm 5'1", and I think she might be like a good 5'6", 7". I'm not too sure. She's like average height. You want to make sure you blow dry the hair out thoroughly, because when you're doing your flat irons, you do not want to have to keep going over and over and over the hair. It's just hella annoying. Like, who wants to go through all that? Nah, bruh, we not doing it. So we're going to go through our hair 1 to 2 times with a flat iron, and that's it. Based off of the fact that I am blow drying the hair the way I am. If you guys can see that the hair had a wave in it at first, and now that it's becoming a little bit more straight as if it's even been flat ironed, it's all about your blow dryer and your blow drying technique. You guys, pay attention to quality. If you're wanting to do hair and you're watching this video, I just would suggest that you guys take pictures of your work before and after. And then after you finish the client that you're doing, really look at the picture and the video and see where you went wrong. And the next time, focus on those things that you went right and the things that you didn't do right. So that way you come out 10 times stronger the next time. Take the video, take the picture the next time, and just keep on growing. I'm not perfect, trust me. I still have a lot to learn in the beauty industry. So many secrets, so many shortcuts, so many things that I could have been doing. I thank God for the YouTube community. So you guys, I'm just here to support, and I hope that people are here to support me. Hey guys, make sure that you're taking small sections when you're flat ironing, because that way you won't have to keep going over the section as many times. Hey guys, I'm pressing the last piece and I'm just going to hit her edges a few times. Nothing too major. And then I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the whole install, just combing it and stuff like that. And look at that. Ooh, juicy. Hey. So remember, she does have leave out throughout the whole perimeter. So I'm just going to try to toss it in a fake kind of ponytail. To be honest with you, my hands are so small. Bear with me, guys. I can barely fit all 4 bundles in my hand for real. So here we go. Here it is. We're about to get her styled up so that you guys can see the back and all that. Well, she's already styled, but you know what I mean. Okay. Showing you guys the... Oh, look at that. Oh. Hey, you guys, this is where I kind of started to get stressed out, but then I pulled it together, and you see that bun. Oh. Hey, Professor Ogilvy. Hey guys, so I thought I would incorporate a clip of her Instagram so you guys can see what it's all about.